Hello guys, namaste to all, welcome to another vlog, and this vlog is going to be a little special because I'm planning to buy a new OnePlus 7T phone from one of those great showrooms in MG Road, the OnePlus outlet which is available in MG Road's Brigade Road. So the trick lies here, okay? I am planning to exchange my old OnePlus 5T phone. Here is a one, okay? It is in a perfect minted condition, probably around 1.5 year old with a Snapdragon of 835 and 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM, dual camera. So this is the specs. So I'm going to exchange this particular phone. I just want to know what is the exchange rate quoted in these showrooms. So I did check it in online in Amazon, and when you put your IMEI number, give me around 5,300 bucks. So I'm not very sure how much they're gonna quote in the showroom. So let's go to the showroom. So here is the phone. I'll just show you what is the condition right now. Okay, there are no scratches in the front. It seems to be in the perfect minted condition. On the red part, there are small impressions of marks because of the back cover. Rest, everything seems to be perfect. There is no scratches on the edges. Everything seems to be perfect. Yeah, everything is fine. Everything is fine. What are we going to do right now is we are going to the OnePlus showroom in MG Road and going to exchange this and buy a brand new OnePlus 7T phone. All set? Here we go. So I am right now in Brigade Road, a great feel because you can see a lot of beautiful people around, and reached OnePlus showroom right in front of me. So let's go inside. Very much excited because I'm upgrading my 5T to 7T. So let's go. Hi sir. Hi. Rather watch me fall from a golden mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Alright, so we are done with the exchange. They have given us 7,000 bucks, which is much better than what we got it in online. Online it was around 5,300. Okay, so I have selected OnePlus 7T Glacier Blue. Okay, the specs is around 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM. Okay, I'm in the showroom here, Brigade Road. Showroom seems to be very nice. There is a OnePlus TV also kept. You get very much attracted by a lot of this phones displayed here as well. So remember, and one more thing what they told us was, if you are planning to exchange your OnePlus 7 for a 7T, you might be getting around 12,000 to 15,000. Okay, so 7K is much good for me. So going with the unboxing right now. Here is a video for you guys. You at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. Ganesh, thank you so much. Color node
128 GB Glacier.
Okay. Yeah, done ಮಾಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Alright, okay, so the exchange process is on, unboxing is done. They will be giving us a cash of 7,000 bucks, and they have asked us to wait for almost 20 minutes. We're going to have some coffee here on the first floor. They asked us to have some machine coffee. So all set. This is the first floor, and this is where you can actually wait. I guess none of you guys would have actually come to this place. So we have a lot of place here. We have a huge sofa, and there is a missionized coffee as well. So let's go have some coffee, and we'll wait until the cash is being given us to us. Oh, So guys, finally I've reached home and I've got my OnePlus 70. Okay, so I got to share a couple of things. The first one is it took around 1.5 hours for us to get the money back, 7,000 bucks. So what exactly happens? We showed the phone and they quoted around 7k, so we had to pay the complete 35k for the 70 phone, and they said that they will be returning 7,000 in cash. So after that, we had to wait around 1.5 hours. There'll be a third party guy who comes to the showroom who checks the phone, and he came to me and he said that there are some small problems here and there, but yeah, he gave me the cash of 7,000 bucks. Point number 2, if I rate customer satisfaction out of 5, I would definitely give only 2, because the people there were not very much professional. As soon as we entered, they did not come and ask what exactly we wanted, and even when I asked about the exchange, they asked us to wait for almost 10 to 15 minutes. So I know OnePlus is a settled brand as of now, but they should be equally professional and they should treat the customers in a very good way. So point number 3, for all you OnePlus lovers, OnePlus 8 will be launched probably in the end of April, and that's what I got the information from the shopkeepers there. Alright, so point number 4, if you want to get the best tempered glass as well as back cover, there is Dubai Plaza, which is right next to the OnePlus showroom. There's an adjacent road which goes and you can directly get from there. Yeah, they might charge you more. You got to bargain there. They would definitely give it to you. It is something similar to National Market, which is there in Market. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. I hope you guys liked it, and please let me know in the comment box if you have exchanged your old OnePlus and what is the rate you have got. All right, so thank you so much. So here is the phone. Cheers, guys.